Hello everyone! In this video, we will learn about category tagging in MargBooks. Category tagging means that if you want to give permission to your user to create billing for only particular category items. Let's see how to do this in MargBooks. For this, first you will go to the dashboard. Click on Settings. From the User Access and Privileges, click on the Configure button. Then, edit the user to whom you want to grant category tagging permission. Now, you will see a drop-down for category. When you open it, you can select which category you want to allow this user for billing. Now, we have selected the category. Click OK and then Update. After this, when the user for whom category tagging has been set does billing, they will only see items from the categories that have been tagged for them. Additionally, note that if an item does not have a defined category, that item will still be visible at the time of billing. Also, if you click on the category below, you can see which category has been tagged for this user, meaning this user can only bill items from this category. Now, let's select an item and proceed with billing. So friends, in this video, you have watched the process of category tagging. Thanks for watching.